Today we're gonna teach you how to grill mussels. First, you're gonna take out a generous amount of aluminum foil. And you're gonna make sure that you rinse, scrub, and remove the beard of the mussels. If they're wild-caught mussels, they're gonna have a lot of beard like this, and you wanna make sure that you remove it. If it's farm-raised, it's gonna have less beard, so you don't have to worry about it as much. You just look through after you rinse it. And make sure that you get rid of the open clams, because that means they're already dead, so you don't want to grill them if they're already open like this. You want to get rid of these. And these look good for now, so we're ready to put them on the foil like this, right in the middle. We have 2 cloves of chopped garlic, half an onion chopped, and then you just salt it to taste and add some black pepper to taste. And then you want to add some chopped parsley. And kind of pull it all up like this. You want to use 2 layers of aluminum foil. Just to make sure no liquid drips out, like so. And now we're gonna add some olive oil. Not too much, because mussels already have a lot of moisture in it. So maybe a tablespoon. And then you're gonna add about a tablespoon of white wine. You want to cover it up really tightly, but you have to leave some air for them to open up. And then you want to place it on the grill on direct high heat and close the lid for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure that you leave the vents open. It's been 8 minutes and we're gonna check on the mussels. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. It looks like they're mostly pretty much open. And it has quite a lot of liquid. And we're gonna take it off the grill. We'll let it cool down a little bit, and we're gonna just pour everything out into the pot with the juice and everything. And we're gonna top it off with a little bit of fresh chopped parsley.